Hey guys, Zach here. We're still working on this rock track, so let's go. There we go. Okay, so we got rid of a little bit of that ring. Wonder if that's this 200 hertz right here. No. Yeah, here it is. I used up all my bands, so let's throw the SSL on there, see if we can get a little bit. I just wanted to boost a little bit in that 200 hertz range, give it a little bit of beef. Too much. Okay, normally I wouldn't use the bottom snare, and I'm not sure if I am yet. I think let's just try to add a sample in first and see if we can fix a lot of these issues. I think I'm going to go with the classic slate snare. See how this sounds. I'll try both of these. Input volume is a little much. Turn the input volume down. Oh. Okay. And then this is the mix knob is what I'm going to start using to fade in the other one. And it also adds back in a little bit of that hi-hat bleed, which, I don't know, I kind of like bleed on the drums because it makes it sound way more real than just having, having this where it's completely silent. Okay. I think I like this 75% sample, 25% real snare. And then now I'm just going to process it like I normally would on a snare. just going to fade in the sub kick because I think it was a little too much. And then we'll definitely adjust that once we, A-B at the very end to see where the level is sitting on the sub kick and the bass and stuff, just so we can get our low end right. Okay, so yeah, I am going to skip the snare bottom. And then I normally skip the toms too until later just because you have to edit those. I'll do strip silence and stuff. And then this is something I'm worried about a little bit because the overheads, it's just one mic, and normally, there's two. So I haven't really figured out how I'm gonna deal with this yet. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave it as one mono mic in the middle, and then maybe spread the toms out more than I normally would to give it that stereo width, or I don't know what it sounds like if you throw a doubler on the overheads. Might try that. Might try panning, or maybe, chopping out all the lows and seeing if it can just be a cymbal mic and maybe actually use the hi-hat mic and pan the hi-hat mic one way and then pan the overheads the other way. I don't know. We'll see. So let's try the double trick first to see what that sounds like, and then go from there. This might sound horrible too. I mean, I'm doing this for the first time, so. So I don't hate it. I think I'm still gonna chop out a lot of the lows though. Just because I don't want it to make the kick sound snare. Yeah, definitely the kick. Don't want it to sound stereo. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of making the hi-hat sound like it's over here when it should be on this side, because I like to mix drummer's perspective. Let's see if I can switch that around. Okay, I think we're going to go with that for now. And then also, I like to bus all my drums to a drum bus. What? Okay, I just automatically put tape delay on there, but I don't know why, but we don't want that. Oh wait, I did that totally wrong.